Playing with Fire by Sivertsen at Two Rivers Gallery in Prince George, British Columbia. A collaborative arts project with the community participants during BMO KidsArt Dayz, July 3rd and 4th, 2019. This work was created in response to living with the threat of wildfire. Imagine you're out for a drive. You come across the remnants of a forest fire. You slow down. Something catches your eye. You stop the car. You get out. You start walking in search of that curiosity. You find yourself looking, smelling, feeling, and now you're really seeing the burn as it truly is. A reconfigured landscape of sentinels standing still, tall, resilient, and silent. In tune to nature's rhythm, its beauty, moving beyond the heat of its immediacy. Pattern, shape, texture, tuning in to nature's rhythm, revealing a bravery akin to bearing one's soul. You feel good, relieved that there's more to this story. You feel grateful for this call to curiosity, tall, resilient, silent, standing, still, waiting, and strong.